know how hard it is to feel certain if you should stay with your partner anymore. They used to feel like you were best friends. They used to feel like you loved them so much and you had everything in common. And now you're wondering if you can even stay together. And you have so much conflict in your marriage, so much disagreement and arguments, and the intimacy is gone. Just don't know if they're really the person for you anymore. This mini class I created it just for you. I was in your exact same situation. I had children with him. We were married. We had things going on. The finances are connected. It's really challenging when you're not sure if that person is right for you. And there's a lot of negative information out there about being with somebody who is maybe not the person you should be with. And often coaches will guide couples to split up because they feel like they just aren't right for each other. But there is much more to this story than you know. I learned the skills necessary for a happy marriage. If I wasn't applying those skills, being accountable for myself, then I wasn't going to be successful. This mini class goes into skills necessary for a good quality relationship. You can analyze what you're doing in your marriage or relationship to see if you're applying these skills and if there's anything more that you haven't done or you just give up on your relationship. So that's what my mini class is for, and I would love to see you there. Aloha.